Ever wondered how a dessert helped crack the code of the atom? Let's talk about J.J. Thomson's revolutionary plum pudding model from 1904. After discovering the electron in 1897, Thomson flipped the script on what we knew about atoms. He proposed that atoms are like a positively charged pudding with negatively charged electrons, those are the plums, dotted throughout. Before this, atoms were thought to be indivisible, but Thomson's model suggested that atoms have internal structure. The positive pudding balanced out the negative plums, making the atom neutral overall. Simple, right? But here's the kicker. Thomson just couldn't nail down how that positive charge was organised. Fast forward to 1909, and Rutherford's gold foil experiment shattered this model. He discovered a dense, positively charged nucleus at the centre of the atom, with electrons orbiting around it. Goodbye, plum pudding model. Hello, Rutherford model. So while Thomson's model didn't stick around, it was a critical step in our journey to understanding atomic structure. And that, my friends, is how a dessert helped us decode the atom.